Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to enable sync passwords on Aloha. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Aloha. Then you can see Settings option at top right corner. Click on it. Then click on Privacy. You can see there are many options. Click on Password Manager. Then you can see their SYNC passwords option on this option. Then click on SYNC. Finally, guys, in this way you can easily enable SYNC password on Aloha.